Hi, my name is Carrie Rossi. I am the manager here at Restored Resale, located in DeMotte, Indiana. Summer is flying by and it's almost time for back to school. A great place to find fall fashions for your kids is a thrift store. You'll find so many trends and save so much money. Thrift store shopping has made a comeback. So skip the mall, come to the thrift store and find unique pieces that no one else will have to make some really awesome fall outfits. So when you get to the thrift store, start with some basics. We have some great ripped jeans in multiple colors. There's also mom jeans. Once you pick a bottom, you can add a top. A literal grandma sweater, a sweatshirt a grandma wore, or maybe even your grandpa or your dad. Those are really popular right now and something that no one else will have. Otherwise, you can find some on-trend sweaters. They're cropped, they have some fun, funky patterns. Or maybe you would like a cropped graphic tee or a regular graphic tee. These are great to pair with your jeans, and they go with anything going over top. All right, the layered look is in. You could put a graphic tee over a jacket, over a flannel, or even a corduroy shirt. Any of these would look great with those jeans, and you can mix and match. If you have a graphic tee, it'll definitely go with anything this fall season. So if you're wondering, how do I style an outfit like this? You wouldn't leave it untucked. When you have your jeans, you would just tuck it in the front, give it a little bit of interest that way, rather than leaving it plain. If you wore a grandma sweater like this, you wouldn't just leave it untucked like that. You would tuck it in, just give it a little bit more style and have it loose in the back. Sometimes people might even wear it a little bit longer or one side out, like this. What I like most about shopping at a thrift store is the amount of money you can save. So for instance, these pair of jeans here, $4.50. Same with this shirt and this long sleeve shirt. So for $13, you can have an amazing outfit. Where at the mall, you could spend $50, $60 or more. So you could double your wardrobe, be more creative with what you're wearing, and still have those same unique looks with money in your pocket.